It's that time of the day for The Law and You, where we give you free legal advice. It's like Christmas every day here at The Law and You. Joining us, we have Greg Fellerman and attorney Ed Ciarimboli.
I was finishing up, I was emailing.
He never stops.
Busy.
Working machine.
Always working.
Moving forward.
On the ski slopes, wherever he is, he's still working.
Yep. Yes, one day closer to victory.
Yes, absolutely. And here, let's get to a victory now. Let's see if we can help Lisa in Nanticoke out. She says, I need to get a will done ASAP because my father is kind of losing his faculties. How fast can it be done, and can you help?
So losing his faculties is...
I've never heard that term.
Well, it's basically...
Northeastern PA term.
Yeah, I mean, it's basically losing his mental and physical abilities. So you're good. You might run into a problem here. You need to get to a lawyer that specializes in estates and trusts immediately, because if your dad is losing his mental capacity, then he may not have what's called the testamentary capacity to enter into a valid will. How about that from a law school examination?
Well, that was very good. And this ties into what we always talk about, how you need to plan now, because this is what happens. People wait, they put it off, they don't get their affairs in order, and then this is a problem. And it creates more headache for you, which in turn costs more money. So learn from this example and, obviously get your planning done. And with this case, I think you're going to have to, what will happen is going to be a crossover between the lawyers and the doctors to make sure they can make that call.
So, because the bad news, kind of, if you take this to an extreme, is let's say that your dad enters into a will and then does not have the mental capacity to do so, and doesn't understand what he's doing, doesn't understand what he's giving away, and you have siblings, they can challenge that, that will and win, because you must have the mental ability to make sure to recognize what you're doing at that time. So,
wills are super important. Never too early to get started on one. Give them a call. Find them online for more help with that. And go to PA Home.